100% of election years had a green October, November, and December.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Just because October, we expect it to pump, that doesn't mean it's always going to be green. We could start out with a plunge right on October 1st. Just like in September, we had a plunge in the middle of the month, but we ended in the green. October should end in the green massively. It probably, I would say at least 20%, I think. Look, I'm just guessing for Bitcoin.
Right.
I don't even know what that equates to, but somewhere about that is what I would expect, if not even a little bit higher, could be a little bit lower. But the point is that
it's not going to go straight up.
It's not going to go straight up. And you have to always remember that, but it doesn't mean it's going to go down to very low numbers. I mean, it's going to go down to 60 or 55. It means that it's not a green candle every day. We get, what is the highest consecutive number of days of green candles? I think it's maybe 11, I think.
No idea.
11 would be a massive amount in a row. But I know on the weekly, we've had, I think, 8 weeks in a row, monthly, like 7 or 8 months in a row. I think we've had green before, somewhere around there, maybe 6 was the tops. 7, September 2023, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2024, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, yeah.
We just hit it.
It's very consistent. If you got a green September, the rest of the year is rocking and rolling.
Yeah, so if you go through, you look at the Septembers, you see green, all green across. All green across, the entire quarter green across. That's why we have to hit, we cannot let this thing go below 59K today. That would be disastrous. We don't want to see that. We want to see this hold, and this volatility coming later today could be really interesting because of what Powell could say. I think people may try to push it down. I don't know. We'll see. But I think that this time it's different. There's a comment on there. I don't think so. It's not. I don't believe so. Anyway, so my point is we've had 7 green months before, right? And you see that on the weekly. We've had probably, I don't know how many weeks in a row, a lot of weeks. I don't know what the daily is, though. Did somebody actually look it up on the daily? That'd be interesting.
Well, so, and the other thing this guy mentions, I don't think he may have made the original post that we showed last week, but 100% of election years had a green October, November, and December.
Yeah.
So we'll see if that plays out. I feel pretty good about it. I mean, so guys, we talked about SWE quite a bit on this channel. I've seen some FUD on the timeline about there's a token unlock coming tomorrow. I've held through all the token unlocks, zero regrets. You also have to consider, if you sell your SWE now and then you buy back, how is that going to affect your taxes? Because, I think I'm going to wait until the price pulls back a little bit, which I think will happen. It would be healthy at this point. There have been several days where I've opened my phone. I'm like, oh my gosh, SWE's up again, another 10 cents, right? I'm like waiting for it to stop so I can grab some more. But I think I'm going to wait for it to pull back and then take out a loan.
Yeah.
Just collateralize the crypto I have staked in Navi and then, buy some more.